So I am Purushottam and I am from Shilagatta but currently staying in Bangalore. So I did my graduation in BE Civil Engineering from AJCET College in the year of 2022. So I joined Spada's 2023 October. So after that I have taken classes from I have trained good trainers like Pradeep sir, Rahul sir and Gopi sir who have taken manual classes, and also SQL by Dhanraj sir, aptitude classes by Selva sir, and Java classes has been taken by Pawan sir, which they have given good quality training, so which makes difficult concepts also feel to learn easily. So the main important thing is to attending of boot camps and also doing presentations. These are all which helps to develop our skills and also crack the interviews, which mainly helps to crack the interviews. So by good guidance from the trainers and also from the taking marks from the trainers enough to clear the interview by which questions they may ask, and we can able to answer confidently. So in December 29th, I got requirement from QSPEDES and I cleared the interview. So from January to 8th onwards, I got a joining date. So thank you for that. Thank you for QSPEDES.